welcome back to our channel. Today we're at Kusatsu, and it's a hotel, and it's at Kusatsu, and it has hot spring. And it's a Kusatsu hot spring. It's called. We just opened it, but they just gave us clothes. Yeah, they gave. Let's keep going. It's open your mind. Let's open some lights. Let's find some. Look at that. It's a toilet. And it has a sink on top of it.
What?
And it has green paper. In the candle. This is a bedroom. Oh, you can put stuff here. This is a light. See, look. And look at the big one. Because you know these.
This is like a makeup stuff.
And like makeup stuff. It's like a class too. And there's a little notebook. Yeah. And lot 1, 2. And this is a table. And whatever this is, it's a teapot. Yeah, teapot thing to get tea. And this is the seat. And this is the TV. And a TV right there. Secret. Da-da-da-da-da. And look outside. Outside, so this is our own hot spring. But we just need to fill up the water. And we're right now in the shower. So that's our hot spring, but we have to get the... And this is a sink. This is also another sink. And where you put your clothes or your jackets. And we have some like mattresses. There's mattresses. And pillows. And even some stuff here. And a telephone. And a basket with towels for the hot spring because it's a really good hot spring. And this is no smoke. Oh, okay. And hope you watched to the end of the video. And bye.